Europe Goes Local and Finnish National Agency for Education invite you to 2 study visits in Finland this year in May.
My name is Paavo Pyykkönen. I work in the Finnish National Agency and I'm responsible for organizing the training activity. Firstly, I say that we're part of EGL because youth work is mainly municipal service in Finland. So most of the youth work in Finland happens in the municipalities and it's a public service. So therefore we have a lot of different kind of practices. The Lahti study visit is linking to youth work that is done in schools. There are also youth workers in schools in Finland, and their role is different. It's supporting the young people in their integration into school, in dealing with their everyday problems, getting the feeling of being in a group, also assisting teachers in creating non-formal learning methods and so on. So what we are showing is our practices in the city of Lahti, like 100,000 people place, with good examples in different schools how the youth workers do their job, and also in a smaller municipality nearby Lahti. You will probably see a lot of practices that are applicable in other places as well. What is done with the young people on a daily basis is a practice, and those things you can see how they benefit the school environment, and you can think how your organization, even an NGO, might be able to provide that kind of service for school kids in your own country.
You can also apply for the study visit taking place in Helsinki. Let's hear what it is about.
Helsinki city is the largest city in Finland, and Helsinki city is also the biggest employer in Finland, with a lot of people working in there, and their youth work sector is rather extensive. The other thing that is typical for Finland is the fact that we have a Youth Act that defines how youth work should be done. We follow the European youth strategies and all the other political papers that define what youth work should do and how it should be done. On the Helsinki city level, they take all the evidence that they have about youth work and link them with the requirements of different political papers and strategies, and then produce services for young people. And if you're interested in this kind of interplay between strategies, facts, results of studies and actual practice, then this is a very good way of understanding how it's done in Helsinki. What to get away from this study visit is, first of all, understanding why something is organized, why something is evidence-based information, how it can affect what is organized. Or on the other hand, thinking that what is the requirement of the young people and how does the service provider react to that. But then it's also a showcase of different kind of practices that a big city can organize in the youth services. So it varies from digital youth services to cultural services. You can see the youth houses there and everything like that, and discuss with the people who are running those services.
You can apply for these study visits on the Sotho Youth Trainings portal. The deadline is 19th of April. Welcome to Finland!